Hi all! Today I'm going to share my guacamole recipe. I've been making this recipe for many years for friends and family gatherings, and it's always been a hit and so easy to do. I think you'll like it. You'll want to pick ripe avocados that are somewhat soft to the touch but still a little firm. Avoid any that are hard as a rock. If you have access to a Mexican market, they usually have plenty of ripe avocados that are ready to use that day. Begin with slicing your avocados, removing the stem at the top. Using a spoon, scoop the flesh of the avocado from the skin with a spoon and remove the large seed. Discard the skins. Add to a mixing bowl. Using a potato masher, mash the avocados. If you don't have a potato masher, you can use a regular fork. Chop the red onion finely. I used about a quarter of the whole onion, then added it to the mixing bowl. Next, chop your tomato into small bite-sized pieces. And add to the bowl. Remove the garlic skin and chop finely, then add that to the bowl. Finally, chop the Serrano pepper. Remove the seeds for a less spicy taste if needed. Chop the cilantro sprigs. Add ground cumin, salt, and pepper. Add fresh squeezed lime juice. Then mix the ingredients together. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like, subscribe for more recipe videos, and hit the bell to be alerted when I upload a new dish. Enjoy, you got this, and God bless.